Elon Musk has reaffirmed his commitment to leading Tesla for the next 5 years while announcing plans to reduce his political spending. In an interview, he discussed Tesla's challenges, including declining sales, but expressed confidence in the company's recovery and highlighted its strength outside of Europe. Amidst criticism, Musk defended his brand, stating he has gained supporters on the right despite some losses on the left due to protest. He also addressed the possibility of a future public listing for SpaceX's Starlink, but outlined the potential legal complications involved. Musk indicated he plans to significantly cut back on political contributions, suggesting he feels his previous spending has been sufficient.
I think in terms of political spending, I'm going to do a lot less in the future.
And why is that?
I think I've done enough.
Is it because of blowback?
Well, if I see a reason to do political spending in the future, I will do it. I do not currently see a reason.
Senior Liberals have expressed support for the Nationals' decision to sever ties with the coalition, viewing the split as a crucial reset after a dismal election defeat. Former Prime Minister John Howard has voiced his concerns about the separation, urging both parties to reunite for the sake of resolving policy difference. Many Liberal MPs believe that the coalition had become politically untenable, especially with the Nationals seen as obstructive on vital issues like climate policy. As the Liberal Party assesses its path forward, a comprehensive review is planned, aiming to revitalise its appeal among younger and urban voters. Australia's central bank has slashed its policy rate by 25 basis points, bringing it to a two-year low of 3.85% as inflation fears ease. The Reserve Bank of Australia noted significant reductions in inflation risks, although uncertainties surrounding global trade continue to affect the economy. Despite headline inflation dropping to a four-year low of 2.4%, there are concerns about sluggish household consumption and potential job market challenges. Analysts predict further rate cuts may be on the horizon, citing the impact of global trade tensions and market volatility. But the Australian economy has shown signs of recovery, with a 1.3% GDP growth in the last quarter, but future risks remain. Victoria's new budget, unveiled by Treasurer, forecasts a staggering $167 billion in net debt, anticipated to soar to $194 billion in just 3 years. Despite a promise of a $600 million surplus, the government plans to cut thousands of public sector jobs, though details remain scarce. Critics, including the opposition and social advocacy groups, have slammed the budget for its reliance on a controversial tax that could worsen the cost of living crisis. Meanwhile, Victoria's State Budget Day was marked by protests and disruption as thousands of demonstrators converged on Spring Street in Melbourne to protest against new taxes. The US stock market took a hit on Tuesday, ending a 6-day winning streak as losses in major tech companies weighed heavily on indexes. The S&P 500 was down 0.4%, while the Dow Jones dropped 114.83 points, and the Nasdaq also fell by 0.4%. Notably, Alphabet and Amazon each lost over 1%, although Tesla managed a small gain after CEO Elon Musk announced plans to cut political spending. Meanwhile, Treasury yields rose for a second day, reflecting concerns over a potential tax and spending bill that could impact the national debt. In global markets, most Australian, most European and Asian stocks saw gains, while Australia's central bank cut interest rates in response to tariff pressures.